You should chase those dogs off, don't you? Yes. Those dogs that could hurt you, baby. You just put a jump right on top of them if they dare to.
Hello, you peanut.
She knows what's going on. Get over there and let me have some more of that titty. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, dear. So good to be alive. What is that big motor there, that aqua color thing?
It's a generator.
Oh.
It could run the whole farm.
Well, what's wrong with it?
Something.
Huh?
Something.
Something. Oh.